Hi guys, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. Today I'm behind the camera and sharing a simple yet delicious salad recipe. The full ingredient list and quantities used are in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Separate the lettuce leaves, wash them and shred them by hand, then spin them to get rid of excess water. Start by prepping the vegetables as shown here. Next, thinly slice the white part of the spring onions, peel half a cucumber and thinly slice it. Peel the carrots, cut off the ends, and cut the tomatoes into quarters and remove the seeds as shown here. Cut the tomatoes into strips and cut a half a lemon, then set these aside. The best tomatoes to use for this recipe are Roma tomatoes. Prepare the avocados last to maintain their color. Then cut them into cubes. With all the vegetables prepped, we move on to the dressing, which is very simple. In a small bowl, add a quarter cup of olive oil and finely ground black pepper. Mix them and add the juice of half a lemon. We'll sprinkle salt directly onto the lettuce while layering it. So to avoid oversalting the salad, we won't add any salt to the oil. This can be adjusted later if needed. In a large bowl, add lettuce and sprinkle a bit of salt and a drizzle of the black pepper infused oil. Mix well. Add another layer of lettuce followed by salt and oil and keep mixing. Add some salt to the avocado, then add the tomatoes, spring onions and cucumbers onto the lettuce. Add a little salt and drizzle some of the oil and gently mix to incorporate everything. This layering method ensures that each bite is full of flavor. Add a bit more salt and black pepper to the avocados before adding them into the salad. Squeeze the remaining lemon juice followed by oil and gently mix to combine. Using a peeler, peel the carrot into ribbons, adding them directly into the bowl and incorporate them into the salad. The salad is now ready and it's so delicious. Please like, comment and share this video, and for more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.